Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make the knife from Resident Evil 7. I started by making a template, and the second step is to cut these shapes out of metal. Let's go! We've got the metal shapes, so what I'm going to do now is to drill all the different holes and cut out the closing mechanism. Now I drilled a couple holes here, but I'm gonna need this file to define the eye of the blade. So I said I was going to make the closing mechanism right away, but I changed my mind, and the reason I did is because I wanted to see how the blade moves within the knife, and I wanted to see exactly where the closing mechanism needs to be, and now I can see that. So next step is to make the closing mechanism, and also, as you can see, I already did the bevel of the blade. I finished the locking mechanism and I'm going to show you how it works. It all relies on this little spring I've cut out right here. You can see it always goes up unless you push it down, and that's what the blade does when the knife is closed. You can see the spring is pushed down, but once you open the knife like this, the little spring comes back up and prevents the blade from closing, and that is called a liner lock. So the next step is to heat treat this blade. Now the blade is heat treated, so I'm going to finish the bevel and polish it. I'm also going to make the back spacers, for which I've already drilled holes, and the final steps will be making the brass parts and the wooden parts. I made the 4 brass parts and I gave them the exact same shape as the body using the belt grinder, but there's a problem. You can see it's not brass. So what I'm going to do now is polish them, heat them up, and hopefully by brushing them with this it should coat them with brass, but I don't know if it will work. Let's give it a try. I have all the parts we need, so let's put the knife together. The knife is almost finished, and as you can see, the blade locks properly in place. So what I'm going to do now is add the scales and glue them with epoxy glue, and then I will put the knife in the vise and set everything in place. The glue has cured, and here's what the knife looks like after cleaning it up. It has been pretty challenging but very fun to make this knife, and if you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comments and I'll be very happy to answer you. Thank you very much for watching, and maybe I'll see you in the next video.